Yuki. What's up, y'all? I'm hanging with my homies at the Breeding Ground. If y'all don't know, y'all need to Google. Y'all need to find what it is about, what Breeding Ground is about, because they got it going on. You know, we have did, you know, they did our video More in Love. You know, they got an amazing facility where they do live, you know, live tapings. Look at this. And live shows. They got a venue, y'all. But I ain't gonna show it to y'all. You got to come see it for yourself. Baby grand piano in here. And all this stuff is multi-track record. But any case, guess here, you know who I'm with. This guy here, I got to tell y'all who I'm with right now. He was the beginning, first start of when I even thought about being a band leader. The first band that Gina and I that we had together was a band called Free Day. And I'm here with my homie hanging. You know, he's the maestro. That's the church. You know, minister of music, but give it up, my homie, Yuki Hirano. Big Yuki. You know who gave him the name Big Yuki. Of course, I'm sure y'all would know who probably gave him that, you know. You know, we did. African American folks. You know how we do. Abbreviate. You know. There it is. Yuki, just actually, hold on. What's crazy about Yuki, a lot of the songs that's on the Baylor Project, a few of the songs that we started with, it started with Yuki playing first, and we helped arrange. Actually, it started with him bringing the idea of Greatest Thou Faithfulness. Ain't that something? As churchy as I am, I just said I wanted a hymn. And think about it. It came from Yuki. See? Yuki loved the Lord. Don't judge. See, Yuki started with Greatest Thou Faithfulness. And then that bedtime story, now, I'm about to really make it terrible because that's a classic. But I didn't know the song. Yuki brought that tune first. That's all I'm saying. So, hey, that's right. It started being a band leader, you know, started with this guy being a part of it, and we still write together. So this is my homie. And More in Love, our first single, yeah, that was Yuki and I writing, Yuki and I and Gene jamming and writing together. So, but you know, he know what I love. So you know, Yuki just take him in, just give him a few bars. I don't mean to put you on the spot. We always say that, but you are on the spot. So you can just give him a little bit, Yuki. And today is your boy Lorenzo's birthday.
Oh wow! Happy birthday, man.
Loren, right. That's a whole story within itself. But you, Ram, you my boy. I love you, man. All right, happy birthday to you. But Yuki's just gonna minister something unto the people out there in social land. Ain't that a lot of pressure? You set it up like that. You do all that talking. Yuki, just give it just a taste. It don't matter. It could be a chord. It don't matter.
It could be a note.
See? Whew. Whew. That melody, y'all gonna definitely have to go buy the album, The Baylor Project. So you see, Big Yuki, you know, that's my bro, man. We've been brothers for years. So there it is. It's a bad boy. Big Yuki, look him up on Facebook, Twitter, all that. His band is killing. His solo project stuff is crazy. So I'm telling you, just go on YouTube and look at the clips from his band, and he's working on more stuff. He got stuff coming out. So all I got to say is look up Big Yuki Hirano. Big Yuki. All right. Holla at y'all. Peace.